Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Eevee, who is a super duper cute Pokemon. Eevee's from one of the first 150 Pokemon, and I always thought Eevee was just so cute. So let's start drawing Eevee. I'm going to start with the eyes. And do a big upside down U shape, and then give it a bottom, and then do a oval inside that shape. I'm going to do a little line like this next to it. Then I'm going to give it a bit of space and do that same thing again. I know I made that one a little bit bigger. Just going to try to match up the sizes a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to color the inside here all dark. And that circle, that oval we did inside it, I'm going to leave that white. Okay, so next I'm going to do a little nose right here. And a cute little mouth. Just kind of like a little wave, really. And now let's start on some fluff here at the top of the head. We're just doing a pile of upside down U's. Like that. And we're going to start working on the face shape here. Give him a little bit of a cheek. We're kind of coming out here a little bit. And Eevee has two big ears. And do the inside shape here. So Eevee's other ear, let's see, it might get a little bit cut off here by the side of the page. Let's see. It's gonna get a little bit cut off, but not bad. Do the inside shape here. All right. Yeah, it got cut off a little bit, but it's not bad. All right, so next I'm going to finish the face shape here. And Eevee's got a lot of neck fluff. So I'm really just kind of lightly sketching it out, trying to make it look nice and fluffy, nice and snuggly. Almost like Eevee's wearing this nice big cozy fur scarf. And now we've got a line coming down here, and we're going to do one little paw. He's going to have three little toes here, and come on up. And we can do another one with those three little toes. And then we're going to see another foot here in the back. So this is obviously his back leg. 1, 2, 3 little toes there. And same over here. We're gonna got one more. And 3 little toes. And then Eevee has a great big tail, a nice big floofy looking tail. Like that kind of shape. And we're gonna do a little wavy bit here on the top. Kind of helps to separate one color of the tail from the other color, so like that. All right, so we are done drawing Eevee, and now I'm going to start coloring. All right, folks, so we are finished drawing Eevee. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see drawn next. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!